With backyard accessory dwelling units increasing in popularity and the demand practically skyrocketing in California, Boxabl is well on the path to changing the game in affordable housing. And with a U.S. government contract for 156 Boxabl units, 20,000 reservations for Boxabl units from the public, launching the world's most advanced housing factory, and innovative building systems protected by over 17 plus patent filings, Boxabl is set to disrupt the trillion-dollar building construction market, which can make investing in Boxabl one of the best money moves of the year. At this time, Boxabl is a private company and has not yet gone public. So you may be wondering, how can John Q. Public get in on this? Well, because of the Jobs Act that President Obama signed into law in 2012, private companies like Boxabl are no longer limited to raising capital from accredited investors. Now they can use regulation crowdfunding to offer and sell securities. This means that even if you haven't made over $200,000 consistently in the last 2 years, or don't have an individual net worth of at least $1 million, not including the value of your primary residence, you can still get in on the ground floor of this disruptive technology. Since Boxabl is not yet listed on the stock market, the rewards you get for investing now are not considered liquid, but range from paying your first mortgage payment on a casita, discounts of up to 10% off MSRP on your casita, or other perks for contractors and distributors. According to their pitch, Boxabl does eventually plan to go public, and once that occurs, any shares you purchase now will convert to common stock and become tradable on the exchange, which means they can become liquid when you sell them to other investors. Through 2 rounds of regulation crowdfunding at a current price of 71 cents per share and a minimum investment of $499.84, Boxabl has already raised the maximum of $5 million per calendar year that is allowed by the SEC for regulation crowdfunding. But you are still able to join the waitlist, which, if accepted, will allow you a heads up when Boxabl opens their next investment campaign. For more information on reserving your own Boxabl or investing, check out the Boxabl link in the description. Thanks for watching and have fun today.